Hi, everyone. Welcome to the market update. San Diego real estate. This is a solo mission today. I'm going to just drop some knowledge. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. As you can see, the clicker, if you've been watching us for the last couple of months, you'll know interest rates have been going up and properties have been going up. So, a lot more options out there. Properties are sitting a little bit longer. We have some stats that we're going to give you. I'm going to bring that up right now to kind of give you an idea. So we're slowly, with again rates going up, more inventory, and what's that doing to the pricing? Again, if you've watched the last couple of months, you know, and I've talked about it, there is a slowing down. And here are kind of the numbers across the board on median sales price. As you can kind of see, the median sales price is basically if you have 1, 2, and 3, it's the middle number right there. But you can kind of tell across the board the median sales price has gone down. So it was in the 850 ballpark, going down to that like 830 ballpark right there. Now, this is, I mean, most of the people talking about, oh, well, do you know the median home price in San Diego County is $1 million? They're talking about detached median home price, and it was $1 million, but now it's actually gone down with kind of the semi cooling to the market. And usually, I mean, the summer months are kind of the hotter months. But again, everything's been so seller centric, and it's kind of cooled off a little bit because of inventory. And then this is the median sales price for attached properties. Okay, attached. So you can see that kind of go down over the last, I mean, month or so. And then list to sold. So this right here, I mean, as you know, I mean, if you've been in the market or at least watching our market updates, you know that bidding wars, people bidding drastically above. When usually you're talking about a 97 list to sold price, right? So for properties asking 100,000, which you're not going to get a property San Diego County for 100,000, you're talking about 97,000, right? Okay, so list to sold. The list to sold also has gone down. The median list of sold was 106,000, roughly a little over 106,000, and has gone down to 101,000. So that's pretty drastic. I mean, 5%. Well, not 5%, but 5% down. So that is a pretty big jump. So understanding the market, but mind you, if you were looking to buy a couple months back and you were weighing what happened a couple months back to how you're going to assess this market, you'd be, I mean, probably paying more than you probably should. So, and then we go to median list to sold for detached, and again, that's going down into the 101 list to sold, where that was a little above 106. And then for the attached median, attached list of sold, 102. So it's a little bit higher list of sold when you're talking about in the attached market. I mean, you're starting out at a lower price point, so that's kind of where the bump has been right there. But yeah, just be aware of the market, be aware of where things are going, but focus on that monthly payment because some people I get, oh, I'm going to hold off till the market really drops. Okay, well, it's probably going to take a little bit of time before that actually happens right there. So I mean, you can wait it out, yet it's very hard to really time the market. Okay, so focus on the monthly payment. I mean, just be aware of what's going on. Be aware of the property to property, not the property as a whole, or not the all the properties out there. Because again, there's 4,300 properties out there. You're not going to buy all 4,300. You're going to focus on that one property that you like. Okay, so focus on that property, and if the value is there, the value is there, right? If you can add some sweat equity to the property, if you can add on to the property, where can you get that value? So even if the prices drop, that your value is not going to drop as drastically as maybe other properties. Okay. Now, people watch this, yes, for the market update, but they also watch this for question time, right? The chance to win some money, and the chance to win some money, $50, fairly simple. All you do is text below the response, the answer to the question. No cost to to answer a question, just text below. The number is on the click right there. Also, too, please subscribe. I want to throw this out there. Please subscribe and reach out to the Enriquez Group if you have any questions about the real estate market, buying or selling a property in San Diego. Love to help you out. Information is in the show notes, and my number is 858-345-7829. Okay, so here was the question for last time we had on here. How much did the most expensive detached property sell in Temecula so far this year? Okay, so Temecula, north of San Diego County. A lot of people have been moving from San Diego County up to Temecula, right? Because the pricing has been a little lower. Yeah, there's been a huge jump over the last couple of years up to Temecula. Be aware when you're going to Temecula, sometimes you have Melrose based off of newer communities. If you have any questions on any things I say, feel free to, again, to reach out. Don't worry about that. One of the big pushes up there is the price point was a lot more friendlier in most of those areas, right? So how much did the most expensive detached property sell in Temecula so far this year? Answer, 3.7 million. 3.7 million, right? A little under 4 million. So not all the properties are going to be more affordable than San Diego, and as a whole, more affordable. Okay, so the question for this week, this is your chance right here. This is your chance to win the money, to win $50. So you can text below your answer to this. How much did the least expensive detached property sell in Fallbrook so far this year? Least expensive detached property to sell in Fallbrook so far this year. So if you're familiar, south of Temecula, you have kind of Fallbrook, a little more rural area in kind of San Diego County. So how much the least expensive detached property sell in Fallbrook so far this year? All right. Well, text for your chance to win. Thank you guys. Again, please subscribe, please share, reach out if you have any questions to myself or the Enriquez Group. We would love to help you out. Have a great one, guys.